Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to log into the Learning Center. Start by accessing your internet browser of choice. Type in the Learning Center URL, namely learning.goodx.co.za. You can save the URL as a bookmark to make future navigation easy and quick. You will then enter the Learning Center as a guest. However, if you have a username and password, you will have more privileges in the Learning Center. If you have registered for one of our courses, you will also receive login credentials that are set per user for the specific course. Type in your Learning Center username and password that you received from GoodX in the login menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Every practice receives one username and password that all practitioners and personnel in the practice can access simultaneously. Please note that the username and passwords are case sensitive. Click on the Remember Username checkbox to remember your username and password in the future. Now you can click on the Login button. You are now logged into our Learning Center as a recognized user.